Am I right? Lesbian! We're all thinking it, aren't we?
I'm not.
Okay? Yes, we're all thinking it, right?
Annie.
Lillian, this is not the you that I know. The you that I know would have walked in here and rolled your eyes and thought this was completely over the top, ridiculous, and stupid. Look at this shower! Look at that fucking cookie! Did you really think that this group of women was going to finish that cookie? Really? Oh, you know what? That reminds me, actually. I never got a chance to try that fucking cookie! Stupid fucking cookie! Ooh, delicious! Stupid cookie! Maybe it's better if I dip it in their chocolate? Oh! Is this what you want, Lillian?
So awesome.
All right, let's have some nice hot, unsanitary chocolate. Oh, it's hot. Jesus, God. Are you hot? Have you lost your fucking mind? What are you doing? What am I doing? You know what? You wouldn't know, would you? Where have you been? You would have no idea. Let me fill you in, okay? Ever since you got engaged, everything's turned to shit.
You know what? This is supposed to be about my time. You have managed to ruin every event in my wedding. Thank you very much.
Okay, well, thank you very much. It's all her fault. It is not mine. And you would know that if you got your beautiful haired head out of your asshole. In fact, out of her asshole, which I'm sure is perfectly bleached.
You know what? It is. And you know how I know? Because I went to the fucking salon with her, and I got my asshole bleached too. And I love my new asshole. You know what? Why can't you just be happy for me and then go home and talk behind my back later like a normal person?
I am happy for you, Lillian. I am very happy for you. I wish you well. I won't bother you anymore.
Kidding me? Annie! Go, 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 go. Get back here. Stop. No, no. She does not get a party favor. She does not get a dog. And if you're going to act like this, then don't even bother coming to my wedding.
I'm proud of you, Will.
Shut up, Helen! Anybody else have anything they want to share today?
I tricked 2 dogs already. They're in the back of my van.
Hit run, baby.